Orange County's coastal wetlands and mesas, once degraded by overuse and industrial activities, are now on the path to recovery. These areas, previously damaged by oil drilling, cattle ranching, and other human activities, are seeing a resurgence of native flora and fauna. And the key to this transformation? Habitat restoration.
This will look like this, and so you can kind of see the process.
Habitat restoration works to return damaged ecosystems to a more natural state, providing numerous benefits including increased biodiversity, the return of wildlife, and healthier, more functional ecosystems. Techniques vary based on the area's needs, but typically include invasive species removal, native species reintroduction, and soil erosion control. Some areas require a combination of approaches, while others only need a minimal adjustment to allow nature to restore itself. Invasive species removal is a critical first step. Plants or animals identified as invasive are carefully removed, often by hand or with machinery, to prevent their regrowth. Special care is taken to remove the entire root system and avoid spreading seeds during the process. This often requires ongoing monitoring, as invasive plants may continue to sprout from the seeds buried in the soil for years.
This is a fennel root. They're intense, and it came out of this spot right here. You can see fennel growing on here. That's the same kind of fennel we would buy in the store. It's edible. It smells like black licorice. This is an invasive species that takes over in this area of our restoration spot. And the roots are especially difficult to remove.
Once invasive species are cleared, native plants can be reintroduced. The Coastal Corridor Alliance, in partnership with conservation groups, is actively working to reintroduce native species like black sage, prickly pear cactus, and California sagebrush to coastal regions. This process involves researching local plant species, addressing resource needs, and monitoring plant health over time. Soil erosion, a common challenge in degraded ecosystems, is mitigated by replanting native vegetation suited to the area's specific conditions. These plants help hold soil in place, improve water retention, and prevent further erosion. Other methods like natural mulching and redesigning water control systems also play a role in stabilizing the land. These efforts have a ripple effect, restoring the entire ecosystem and creating a more resilient environment. By addressing one aspect of an ecosystem, these restoration efforts have a positive impact on the whole environment. Reintroducing native flora and fauna to coastal wetlands not only supports native species, but also helps prevent erosion, filters water, and provides flood control, all while aiding in climate change mitigation. The work being done to restore these habitats is part of a larger ongoing process to ensure that Orange County's coastal regions remain vibrant and suitable for future generations. It's a beautiful cycle of nature that needs our help in many areas to get started again. Please join the Coastal Corridor Alliance in this transformative process of restoring native habitat to our coastal regions here in Orange County. A small donation today can mean the world of difference to a variety of plant and animal species and make our coast a more enjoyable place in which to live and play.